Hello everyone, welcome to our daily quiz session designed to help you prepare for the AFO exam. Today, we will test your knowledge and skills in key areas relevant to today's target topics. If you are missed our today's target topics, check out my previous shorts video for more information. Without any delay, let's start our quiz. First question. APEDA is located in dash. Option A, New Delhi. Option B, Bharatpur. Option C, Haryana. Option D, Hyderabad. Answer, option A, New Delhi. Second question. Pascal is the SI unit of option A, pressure. Option B, density. Option C, force. Option D, energy. Answer, option A, pressure. Third question. Edible banana fruit is seedless because of dash. Option A, embryo abortion. Option B, parthenocarpy. Option C, apomixis. Option D, micropropagation. Answer, option A, embryo. Fourth question. PM Kisan is a central sector scheme with 100% funding from Government of India. The fund will be directly transferred to the bank accounts of the beneficiaries. In PM Kisan scheme, Rs 6,000 is given in how many installments? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 5. Option D, 6. Answer, option B, 3. Fifth question. Women in Agriculture Day is celebrated in dash. Option A, 4th December. Option B, 12th December. Option C, 15th December. Option D, 20th December. Answer, option A, 4th December. Sixth question. Kisan Credit Card Scheme farmers can receive crop loans up to a principal amount of dash. Option A, 3 lakh. Option B, 4 lakh. Option C, 5 lakh. Option D, 7 lakh. Answer, option A, 3 lakh. Seventh question. Poultry production is related to dash. Option A, white revolution. Option B, red revolution. Option C, silver revolution. Option D, pink revolution. Answer, option C, silver revolution. Eighth question. Central Institute of Horticulture is situated at dash. Option A, Manipur. Option B, Assam. Option C, Haryana. Option D, Nagaland. Answer, option D, Nagaland. Ninth question. In National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, which of the following national scheme is not merged? Option A, National Mission for Micro Irrigation. Option B, National Bamboo Mission. Option C, National Soil Health and Fertility Management Program. Option D, National Organic Farming Program. Answer, option B, National Bamboo Mission. The last and final question of this quiz. ATMA is operated at option A, district level. Option B, village level. Option C, block level. Option D, state level. Comment down your answer. That's all for today's quiz. Review your answer and get back tomorrow for more challenging questions to enhance your preparation for the AFO exam. Good luck! Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your queries in the comments below. Let's crack this exam together.